Hello, summer camp art students. Today's lesson is titled Leaf Printing in Rainbows. Today we will create a composition using real leaves to print a color arrangement. In visual arts, composition means the placement or arrangement of visual elements in a work of art. Today's materials will be a large white sheet of paper, these color magic markers. Be mindful that we will be excluding the black and brown marker. We will not be using these as these are not the colors in the color spectrum. Also, we will use a real leaf. That's right, we will be using a real leaf. So if you do not have one on hand right now, you can pause this video at this time and go out and retrieve a real leaf from your backyard or your yard or from a tree or a bush. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be the exact leaf that I have, as long as it's a nice size. And we will be using this leaf to print our images. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is I'm going to scoot this paper out the way and make sure you have something like another sheet of paper that you're going to use in order to color so that you don't smudge. So we will not color our leaf directly onto our white sheet. We're going to move it over, maybe have something underneath to protect your surface, okay? The first color we're going to use will be red. You are going to color red on the right side only of your leaf. Mind you, I am using the smoother side of the leaf, not the rougher side of the leaf. So not underneath the leaf, but the top of the leaf only, okay? So I'm gonna color one side of this leaf on the right side, red. Now, this is a leaf, it is not paper, so be really gentle. It's really good to just take it from the inner part of the stem here and just glide your marker on its side, not its point. If your marker is pointy, you don't want to rip your leaf. So be as gentle as you possibly can. Now, we're also going to take our orange marker and we are going to color it on the left-hand side. Notice I'm using broad strokes and I'm angling my marker as to not rip. I'm being really gentle. Okay, now that I feel like I have that fully colored, I can get it on the stem just a little bit. I'm going to take my white sheet of paper, turn it upside down with the color facing the paper, and right in the upper left corner, I'm going to take it and just press down, firmly pressing down. I'm not moving the leaf around because we do not want to smudge it. We want to maintain the integrity of the leaf's shape. So we're just going to just keep pressing down, keep pressing down. And then we're going to lift this off, and there you have it. Again, repeating the process, I'm going to slide my paper over using the leaf. I'm going to take some soft tissue and just dab and clean off the residue. Okay, now leaving off here where I left off with orange, I'm going to pick up orange again and work on the right side. It's a rhythm to this. And the reason why I'm working on the right to left is because when I turn the leaf over to press it, it overlaps on the previous color that it is. And it gives that graduation of being on a spectrum or having that rainbow effect. So I use the orange to color on the right-hand side. Now I'm going to pick up yellow, and I'm going to color yellow on the left-hand side. Remember, be nice and gentle. Angle your marker so that you don't tear your leaf. And the good thing is, if you tear your leaf, you can always get another one. You can always pause this video and get another leaf. So now I'm going to take my picture and I'm going to slightly overlap. See where this is touching here? I'm going to overlap the orange and repeat that process of just pressing down. And lifting off. Beautiful. Again, I'm going to dab my leaf, all the excess, with a damp piece of paper cloth or a dry piece of tissue. Good. Now, this time, I will use yellow, picking up from here, using yellow on the right side again, starting on the right side. So now I'm going to bring yellow over to the right side and color, so that when I turn it over, it overlaps with this yellow here. Okay. And now I'm going to pick up green, and I'm going to color the left side of this leaf green. Again, being gentle. And it's okay if you overlap a little bit of the green line in the center. We want it to just merge, those colors to just merge and blend and look just so beautiful, just like the spectrum. Okay, I have my composition. I'm going to take this leaf and I'm going to overlap just a little bit and press down. Good job. Slide this over. Again, dabbing gently. Notice I just keep going a little up and down as absorb whatever residue color into my cloth. I'm not just pulling and pulling and pulling. You don't want to do that because we don't want to tear our leaf, and we have to keep reusing it. So the next color, we're going to start the same way here, but since we're at the end of the page, this leaf will be right here, the next leaf. So we're going to take our leaf again, picking up green where we left off, putting green on the right side of the leaf now, and coloring. There we go. Very nice. Okay. Then we're going to pick up beautiful blue, and we're going to color it on the left side of the leaf. Going down the stem a little bit, making those colors overlap just a little bit. Just want it to look a little seamless. Taking our composition again, I'm refocusing. I'm going to take my leaf, and in the lower left-hand side, I'm going to overlap the base of the top leaf and bring it down to the bottom, just pressing. Press, 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 press. Hard as you can. Lifting up, and there you have it. Repeating the process again. I'm going to dab, cleaning off my leaf. We left off here with blue. We're going to start with blue on the right-hand side of our leaf. We're going to color the right side blue. Then we're going to take purple and we're going to color the left side purple. Okay, bring our composition over. We're going to overlap again the base of the top leaf, overlapping here over our already blue leaf on this side, and just pressing down firmly. Remember again, not to move your leaf around. You do not want to smudge and compromise the shape of your leaf. Okay, lifting off. And our last one, again, taking our leaf, just cleaning it off just a little bit, as much as I can. And this time I'm going to use purple to start, just like here, starting on the right-hand side. Okay. Now, for the left side, if you happen to have a pink marker, you can go ahead and use it. If not, you can always go back to red, okay? So if you have pink, you can use pink, or you can use red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with pink, since I have pink, and I'm going to color the left-hand side of the leaf. And then I'm also going to take red and go over it as well. If you don't have pink, that's fine. You can always use red. Go over the stem center of the leaf. Come over with your composition. And in the lower right-hand corner, you're going to overlap the base of the top leaf and overlap the last leaf you just printed. Again, repeating the same steps, you're going to press. Here we go, lift. And there you have it. It is your leaf printing in rainbows. Beautiful. And that's it. Enjoy.